Hello, my dear kids. Today we are going to learn a very interesting thing. It is not only an interesting but also very useful. So, we are going to make a handbag with the help of newspaper. Okay, so we will need a full newspaper, single newspaper. Okay, and we are going to attach it. We are going to put Fevicol all over and we are going to stick this. Okay, so let's get started. We are just making this paper thick. So I am putting Fevicol all over and you can spread it with some piece of paper. You can use a piece of paper to spread the Fevicol all over so that it will get stuck evenly. I have spread Fevicol here. Now I will fold the paper and stick this two papers to each other. Just be careful and be little slow so that it will get stuck properly without any crease. You have to just press it properly. If you feel there is some gap somewhere like this, you have to stick it, those corners or anywhere in between. You have to just stick those things. Okay, now we will fold it from bottom, almost this size. Okay, we will fold it till here and we'll just put the other part over here. So now we are going to stick this edge. So I am putting a Fevicol on the edge only and cover it with, it should get covered little bit. See, this much only I am covering. Okay, can you see this? This is the fold, first fold, and stick the other edge to this edge. Now what we will do, we will turn the paper like this and fold it till here. We are going to make a base out of this. So just open the flap, open it and make triangles like this. The Fevicol is still wet, it is not stuck. Okay, and you have to fold it here. It is slightly above this and we have to cover it with upper edge. So this is going to be our base of the paper bag. It should be strong, right? So we will add Fevicol here. And stick these sides. At this edge also, you have to put a Fevicol. And this is the base of our bag. Now what we are going to do is we want to give some thickness to the bag so that we can keep some things inside. Okay, so I'm going to fold it from here. Just make a line by folding it, and same way from the other side you have to fold it. Open it. See, this is the bag. Just open it and make the folds, trace the folds again this way. So it will just look like market bag, which the bags which are available in the market. It's very easy. You can make it at home. You can use colored card sheets or tinted papers and make your own gift bags. You don't need to spend money on it. Just fold it and give the look of a paper bag. This way, and your bag is ready. Now what we will do, we will add some papers here, so that we are going to add handle here, right? It should carry the weight. So for that I have thickened the papers and I have made 2 strips. We will stick it here. We are going to add a handle, right? So I'm just giving strength to my handles. In the same way, from other side also you have to stick the papers. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make holes here with the help of punching machine, or you can directly make a hole with a pencil, a compass, right? I'm using a punching machine. The paper is wet. Make sure that it is dry and then you have to punch it, so it will be easier. And now we will add handle to it. For adding handles, I am using a satin ribbon which is easily available. Many of you may have it at home as well. I'm going to make a knot here. From the other side also. You can adjust the length, whichever length you want. I'm just adding a knot here. Okay, same manner from other side you have to add it. And your paper bag is ready. You can go on shopping with this, or you can make your own creativity. You can use your own imagination and make it beautiful, and you can use some colored papers for gifting purpose also. See, I have sticked leaves here, as it's a eco-friendly bag we have made. So I have cut some leaves shapes and just stick on it, so that this way you can create your own bag and decorate it. Thank you.